Hey, good evening, everyone. This is Keith Johnson, CPA, with your Business Buzz for Tuesday, December 31st, 2024, New Year's Eve. And and I'm sorry, the screen's a little shaky, but my trusty assistant, Christmas, is right behind me. Anyway, just wanted to get in a few last minute tax tips as the clock runs out on new 2024 and 2020 go into 2025. First, we talked yesterday about charitable contributions. Go, don't do charitable contributions just to take tax benefit. Give because you want to give, not because you're going to get a tax benefit out of it, because it's way too hard to chase it unless you're really in tune with other situations going on with your itemized deductions. But also, if you've been thinking about uh, your selling stock or harvesting your gains, which means that you're selling stock and getting gains, maybe to offset some accumulated uh, capital loss carryovers. Just remember, if you're selling, you don't get taxed on the entire the entire proceeds of the sale. You only get taxed on the actual gain on the sale. So what that means, let's say you buy stock for $20 and a couple of years ago you sell it for $30. You don't pay tax on the $30, you pay tax on the gain of the $10. So that's 30 minus 20 is 10, and that's what you pay your thing on. You'll get a Form 1099-B in the mail. Which will show a summary of your interest, your dividends, and your stock transactions. You'll get that probably at the end of January. One thing you definitely don't want to miss is if you are on the marketplace and or you're getting a subsidy on your health insurance. It is important that in the next, either at the end of this week or next week, you're going to get a letter from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, or your provider, showing it's called a 1095A as an alpha, and it's going to show all this information you will need to prepare your 8962. It'll show how much your premiums were, how much your subsidies were, and also what average silver plan, second lowest silver plan is in your area. So it's very important not to throw that away because we can't do the tax returns without it. So please be careful with it. Other than that, as things go, as the New Year's Day celebrations come across the world, it'll be pretty nice to see. 2024 was a good year for us. We saw some growth, but we are looking forward to a good 2025. And hope I do have some. I don't do resolutions. I do goals. I don't say, okay, I'm going to lose weight. I set a goal. I said, I have a spreadsheet that says, okay, this is how much I want to lose, or this is how much I want to increase my bench press, all that stuff. So, I would, as far as your New Year's resolutions, I would recommend choosing goals and quantifying them. So that gives you something to to shoot for in a numerical, it's a tangible target. So as opposed to a vague, I'm going to lose weight, or something like that, or so Anyway, hopefully you'll have a good new year. Mine will be pretty quiet, although my neighborhood is known for its fireworks. Sometimes I think the fireworks are better than what you'll get in a lot of cities, but we'll get there. And have a happy new year. And I might do a quick one tomorrow if there's anything that breaks. And I will see you then. Have a happy new year. Good night, everybody.